tutorial to make a thing where you have a video or something else. So you're gonna go to TikTok or YouTube, search up whatever you want that has a sound. So put in and then search up ringtone. Don't worry about these. See? See this?
Here's how to get a customized ringtone without needing to download.
And then now you're gonna have to go. And if you're doing YouTube,
this is arguably the best ringtone ever. Yo. This is arguably the best ring.
and it's gonna show. And then after you do that, you're gonna download this ringtone maker. That's gonna be for the world. Okay, so when you open that, you're gonna see an ad, so don't worry about it. But if you turn off your internet to not get the ad, then it's not gonna work. And then if you're wanting to make it your ringtone, or hold on, if you click make, you're gonna click use as ringtone. But if you're doing it as your charger tone, if it's charger start tone, charger end tone, full battery tone, low battery tone, then you're gonna click whatever. I'm gonna click this build control, and now you're gonna go to here. You're gonna put in C and then click charger, then nothing when run, and then type in the app. Just type in ring with RIN. See, and now you got it. And let me show you, it is not fake. Okay, this is the wrong charger. Like that. Let me plug it in. Okay, I got the charger, guys. Then plug it in. There you go.